What is up, fellow music creators? Are you tired of surviving on instant ramen? Do you dream of the day your music becomes a revenue stream? Well, fret no more, because the AI music revolution is here, and it's about to turn your tunes into royalty-generating hits. Forget the struggle of countless gigs and hoping for that lucky break. AI is here to be your musical partner in crime. We're talking about generating custom soundtracks for video games, composing royalty-free music for YouTubers, and even creating personalized playlists for listeners. But wait, there's more. With AI, you can 1. Craft the perfect song for any mood or genre. Feeling epic? AI can whip up a superhero soundtrack. Need a chill coffee shop vibe? It's got you covered. 2. Get your music heard by a global audience. AI can target your music to specific demographics and even personalize it for individual listeners. No more playing to empty rooms. 3. Unlock new income streams. Imagine getting paid every time your AI-generated track gets used in a YouTube video. But hold on, some of you might be thinking, AI is gonna steal my musician job. Nope. AI is a tool, a super-powered one at that, but it still needs your creativity to fuel it. You're the maestro, the AI is your high-tech orchestra. So how do you get started with this AI music magic? First, subscribe to our channel. We'll be dropping tons of videos on the best AI tools and how to use them like a pro. Second, unleash your inner music nerd. Explore the world of AI music platforms. There are tons out there. Now let's talk about getting your music on those big streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. These platforms are a fantastic way to reach millions of listeners and potentially generate a steady income through streams. Joining these platforms and uploading your music is a straightforward process. Here's a quick rundown. Number 1, choose a music distributor. Services like DistroKid or CD Baby can help you distribute your music to all the major platforms for a small fee. Number 2, create an artist profile. Fill out your profile information, upload your music and artwork, and set your prices, if selling downloads. Number 3, promote your music. Let your fans know your music is available on these platforms. Share links on social media, your website, and anywhere you can. Remember, the more people who listen to your music, the more royalties you can earn. The AI music revolution is here, musicians. Are you ready to ride the wave? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more music production tips, and let's make this the year your music makes you rich. Leave a comment below telling us what kind of music you want to make with AI. Is it soaring film scores or infectious pop anthems? The possibilities are endless.